What's up, guys? Thief Game Makura 13 here, and today I have a new opening for you. I've got 8 Legendary Duelist Magical Hero Packs to break into today. I got them online, so hopefully they aren't weighed and we get at least a couple hollows. So let's start cracking into them. So obviously we're gonna go hopefully get the big money card. I think is Magician's Soul still. So that would be the number 1 card, but honestly I'm happy for pretty much anything. So we start off with a Jet Synchron, and we have a Performapal Pendulum. What is this? Performapal Pendulum Sorcerer, Para, Illusion Magic, that's pretty cool, and then Secrets of Dark Magic for the rare. No hollow out of the first pack, that's okay. So we have the second pack. Let's see if I can adjust the camera a little bit. There we go. So, we have a hero lives, Pendulum Dimension, Dark Magical Circle, and we have a Supreme King Zark, and we have a, oh my gosh, Zubaba Bancho Gaga Coat for the rare. Sorry guys, gotta adjust again. There we go. Camera keeps moving. There we are. Alright. So we have a Doppel Warrior, a Smile Action, Time Gazer Magician, and we have our first holo. We have a Junk Converter for a super rare and a Performapal Popper Up for the rare. So we'll put our holos over here. We have a super rare Junk Converter. Not bad. Hopefully at least get 1, maybe 2 more would be great. I mean, 8 packs. Can only really hope for maybe 2, maybe 3 if we're super lucky. Get another Doppel Warrior, Excel Synchron, Gagaga Samurai, Jet Synchron, and another, oh, this one's different. It's an Automato Pickup. There we go, for the rare. Alright, so we've got a, let's see, adjust the camera a little bit. There we go. Gagaga Samurai, Dark Magician Girl Common, Performapal Pendulum Sorcerer, Para, and a Magician of Dark Illusion for the rare. So that's pretty cool. It's a good rare. Try to get at least 1 more holo out of this. That'd be sweet. So we start off with a Miracle Fusion, Harmonizing Magician, another Illusion Magic, Go 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 Giant, and an Odd Eyes Wizard Dragon for the rare. It's a pretty looking card. Pretty cool looking card though. Alright, so we got 2 more packs. So far we've only got 1 super rare, so we're not doing too hot. maybe these last 2 packs will have something good in it. So let's hope so. So we start off with a Cosmic Blazer Dragon, Dark Magician Girl, Smile Action, Neospatian Aqua Dolphin, and another Magician of Dark Illusion for the rare. Okay, let's hope for some last pack magic here, because so far our luck has not been very good. And these packs weren't too expensive, but it took a long time for these cards to get here in the mail. So I kind of was hoping for some pretty good luck. And they weren't cheap, but they weren't like dirt cheap. I mean they weren't pricey, but they weren't dirt cheap either. So Harmonizing Magician, Miracle Fusion, Pendulum Dimension, Excel Synchron, and another Automato pickup. Okay, for the rare. So it looks like this opening wasn't the greatest. We only got one holo, and it turns out that this Junk Converter Super Rare was our best pull. So thanks guys for watching. We opened 8 packs, so I mean it was a decent amount of packs for these Magical Hero packs. And we out of 8 packs, we got 1 Super Rare Junk Converter. So, you know, we didn't have the best luck, but you know, stay tuned for the next opening. Hopefully we'll have better luck next time. Please like and subscribe, and until next time, see ya.